Hello, and welcome to Next Gen Modbus Hacking, OT SEC+, brought to you by RougeSec Academy. My name is Arav, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this exciting journey into the world of Modbus policy. Sends commands to the belt, like start moving or stop. Sensors on the belt, the slaves, send back data, like speed or temperature. Now, what happens to the server in Modbus BAL so it can listen for requests from the master? Next, we'll configure Modbus BOL to connect to the Modbus BAL server as the master and read the slave's registers. Finally, we'll observe the interaction between the master and slave. Few powerful tools. Modbus POL, a Modbus master for querying registers and coils. Midget, a tool for advanced read and write operations. Wireshark, a packet analyzer to capture and analyze Modbus traffic. By the end of this module, MBT get a 1R0W45P502 lab_IP. In Wireshark, look at the captured packets. Identify function codes, such as 0x03, read holding registers, and 0x06. Write carefully. And make sure everything is installed properly before we proceed. Once the tool is set up, we'll move on to our first hands-on activity, using Mod Reconner for Modbus reconnaissance. Start by launching the tool and filling in the required details. Enter your target IP address, specify the Modbus port, which is usually 502, and provide the slave ID of the device you want to interact with. Next, define the start and end address for scanning. Choose the appropriate reconnaissance option, and click Start. The tool will now begin scanning the Modbus device and retrieving useful information. After a few moments, you should start seeing results on your screen. Mod Reconner will display